Hello, today we are going to show you how DocPro stores the files in an encrypted format. The files are stored on the disk. What we are showing right now are the files that have been stored already by DocPro. DocPro creates folders date-wise, month-wise, and year-wise, and any files that are stored in DocPro are stored within these folders, which are created on the server's hard disk. We can see over here that this is the folder which has been selected, and there are various files in that folder. What we are going to do now is we are going to upload a file in the same folder, and we will select the document type, and based on the document type you can see that below the index fields appear. We are now choosing a file which is available on the user's desktop, and this file we are going to upload into DocPro. Okay, now this is some sample file that we have created. It is a text file that we are uploading. Once I save, the file gets saved on in DocPro and on the server in a specific folder. Like I mentioned earlier, a date-wise folder is created within months and within that year. So now we will show you this file that has been created on the server. The file that is created, you can see, is the one with the text that is at the topmost file. If you can see the date and time, you will be able to see, that it has been created at this date and time. So when I click open on this file, this is what we get to see. It is basically encrypted, and there is no data that the user can make any sense out of. We use triple DES encryption for encrypting the files, and all files are stored using this triple DES. These files can be encrypted. Unencrypted format will be available only to the users of DocPro, and the files will be shown in the unencrypted format inside the DocPro viewer. So anyone who gets hold of these files from the server's disk it will not be of any help to that for that user. Okay, we'll also show you how to create files inside DocPro. So now we are creating a file inside of DocPro. We are again selecting the document type, and based on the document type below, you will get the index fields. On the right hand side, you will see the text editor. You can write text inside in the text editor. You can format, and there are various formatting tools available. What we are writing is this file is created in DocPro just as a sample. You can write anything over there, and then it will create that file. The file format that it's created is PDF for all files that are created inside of DocPro. Okay, once I save it, this file will get saved on the server again in the folders the way I mentioned earlier. We will just go on that on the server and check the folder, and we will try to open that file, and it will be again in an encrypted format. Okay, so this is the first file is the one that has been created as a PDF file. If I open it, it will not open because it's going to say that there's something wrong in the file, and hence the user will not be able to view the file. But we can view the same file inside the DocPro. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you.